Okay, we got the DJI NEO drone here. We're going to try out the tracking feature on there. So go ahead and have it take off, Haley. 3, 2, 1. Okay, so right now it's tracked on Micah. Okay, walk over there, Micah. You see the drone's following him now. Go all the way back over here, Micah.
Around the table.
Go around the table. Take it back to the landing pad. And he's going to hold his hand out, and the drone's automatically going to know to land in it. Okay, get a little bit closer to him, Micah. Put your hand underneath it, underneath the drone. You got to leave it there. There you go. And good deal. It lands right there as soon as you put your hand under it. And that's how we use the tracking feature on the DJI NEO drone.